Replacing your windows is one of the best investments you can make in your Farmington Hills home. New windows not only improve comfort and energy efficiency but also enhance curb appeal and overall property value. To get the most out of your installation day, proper preparation is key. Here's a step-by-step guide to make sure your home is ready when the installers arrive. Clear the work areas. Window installation requires space around each opening. Before the crew arrives, move furniture, lamps, and decor away from windows. Roll up rugs or floor coverings near the work area. Take down window treatments like blinds, curtains, and valances. Having a clear area ensures installers can work efficiently and reduces the risk of damage to your belongings. Protect your flooring and furniture. Even with careful installers, dust and debris are inevitable. To keep your home clean, cover nearby furniture with plastic sheeting or old blankets. Lay down drop cloths or tarps in high traffic areas. Ask your contractor if they provide protective coverings. Many professional teams do. This simple step will save you from a big cleanup once the installation is complete. Remove wall hangings near windows. Vibrations from tools and movement can cause items on your walls to shift or fall. Be sure to remove pictures and framed artwork. Mirrors or shelves near window openings. Decorative items sitting on nearby window sills. Taking them down in advance keeps them safe and speeds up the installation process. Provide easy access to your home. Installers often need to bring in large windows, tools, and equipment. Make access easier by clearing driveways and walkways of cars, bicycles, or toys. Unlocking gates or fences if work is being done on the exterior. Making sure doors are accessible for crews to carry windows inside. Easy entry and clear pathways help the installation run smoothly and safely. Prepare the outdoors. Your home's exterior is just as important as the inside. To prepare, trim shrubs, trees, or plants near window areas. Move outdoor furniture or grills that might block access. Ensure pets are kept away from the work zone. This keeps your landscaping protected and gives the crew the room they need to work efficiently. Secure pets and kids. Window installation involves power tools, ladders, and open window spaces. For safety, keep children away from the work areas. Place pets in a separate room or outside until the installation is finished. Let the installers know if you have pets, so they can be mindful when going in and out. Keeping everyone safe makes for a stress-free installation day. Plan for noise and disruption. Window replacement isn't silent. It involves drilling, hammering, and moving materials. Consider scheduling the installation on a day when family members can be out or busy. Working from another location if you have remote meetings. Giving neighbors a quick heads up if you expect a large project. Being prepared for the temporary disruption will help the day go more smoothly. Communicate with your installer. Finally, talk to your window installation team before the big day. Ask about estimated timeline for completion, whether they'll dispose of old windows and debris, any specific requests they may have for preparation. Open communication ensures that both you and the crew know what to expect. Final thoughts. Preparing your Farmington Hills home for window installation takes a little effort but pays off with a faster, cleaner, and smoother process. By clearing the workspace, protecting your home, and coordinating with your installers, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows without the stress. Your home will be more energy efficient, comfortable, and beautiful, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you made the process as easy as possible.